Good afternoon everyone. I am Arya Narayan of class 7th B. Today I am going to show you all how to make a weave turtle. So after weaving, this turtle seems to be like this, and we will have to cut this extra paper. There is only one thing left. We have to stick its eyes here, and after sticking both the eyes, it will become ready. This is a very simple weaving activity and it looks too nice. I hope you enjoy watching this, and